Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can apply conditional coloring for your columns and boards on Monday.com in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to Monday.com, select your workspace here on the left hand side, select a board or a form. Let me go with board number 1 for demonstration purposes. And let me go, for example, with the Kanban view for that, because it works pretty well for Kanban views. So what you want to do, guys, next is click into these 3 dots here, more actions, and select conditional coloring. And from there, you may, for example, click into that button and select the color. Next, for that condition, click or select the column. Let me go with status. After that, select an action like is not, color is, text is empty. So let us go with is empty. And after that, you may select a value here, or you may go with another action like is. And then, for example, select blank. And that's it. You may select or add a new condition and repeat the same process. And click into save to this view. And that's it, guys. So if you'd like to remove the given conditional coloring, remove this here to the right, and that's it. That's how I do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.